Hello, welcome to my channel. This is me, the TecKeeG, and if you're looking for a high quality headset for your virtual meeting, podcasting, or gaming needs, I think this Logitech H390 headsets might just be the perfect fit for you. On this video, we will take a closer look of the specs, pros and cons of this popular headset. First, let's take a look at the specifications of the Logitech H390. Here they are. The headset features bladed ear cups that are designed to fit comfortably over your ears. I think even during extended use. With enhanced digital sound, noise cancelling mic, adjustable. Also, you can position it to pick up your voice clearly while minimizing background noise. Let's take a look at the package. Now let's unbox. So you have to remove the back. And this is it, the H390 Logitech. This is the cable. And this is, after unboxing, this is what you got in the box. The headset with manual instruction. With different language. Okay, this is the Logitech. This is the mic. It's adjustable in one direction. This direction cannot be movable in the other direction. This is the only direction, and it is a very comfortable headset. The Logitech connects to your computer via USB. It works with practically Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, wherever. It's a plug-and-play device. The headset also features inline control. This is it. Okay. This is the inline control. With the plus and minus button. Also, the button in the middle, it's clickable to mute, just to mute the mic. So, this is the device. Very comfortable. Very comfortable indeed for a virtual meeting, podcasting, or gaming. It's a perfect device with a very nice quality audio, a stereo audio, and a good mic with good noise cancellation. Good mic cancellation with good noise cancelling microphone. So if we want to make a pros and cons list for the pros, and one of the major advantages of this headset, it is comfortable design. Nice design, comfortable. The padded headband and ear cups make it easy to wear the headset for extended periods without any discomfort. Also, there is a slight movement here to keep it always comfortable for an extended period. Another advantage is noise cancelling microphone. It is a great microphone. It effectively filters out background noise, ensuring that your voice comes through loud and clear during virtual meeting or podcasting records. This is the mic. Sleek design. This Logitech also, it is a great choice for gaming. The headset clear audio and comfortable design make it very good to wear during long gaming sessions. For the cons, and I think there is only one, is one potential downside of the Logitech H390 is the lack of Bluetooth connectivity. And for other devices, you need an adapter Type C to use it. Overall, the Logitech H390 headset is a great choice for anyone looking for a comfortable, reliable, and affordable headset. It is a great headset at, I think, $39. Great headset for podcasting, gaming. Its noise cancelling microphone, inline controls, and USB connectivity make it a versatile and convenient option. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share. And I see you in the next video. This is Med the TecKeeG.